In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to your Wix website. This process allows you to seamlessly integrate Canva designs into your Wix site, which not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures that your branding remains consistent across platforms. So, whether you're showcasing a portfolio, sprucing up a blog post, or adding a visual touch to a business website, connecting Canva and Wix can make a remarkable difference. To begin, you'll want to make sure you have your Canva template ready. Head over to Canva and open the design you wish to embed on your Wix site. If you haven't created one yet, take a moment to craft your design using Canva's comprehensive design tools. Once you have your masterpiece ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, find and click the Share button. This is typically located at the top right corner of your Canva page. After clicking Share, look for the See All option. This will present you with a list of sharing options. Among these options, you'll find the Embed choice. Click on that, and then you will see yet another Embed button. This one will allow you to generate the HTML embed code, which is crucial for our next steps. Upon clicking, you'll notice an option to copy the HTML embed code. Do so and make sure that this code is safely stored in your clipboard, as you'll need it shortly when you switch over to your Wix editor. Now, head over to your Wix website editor. This is where you'll integrate your Canva design into the site. Once in the Wix editor, look for Add Elements on the left-hand side. Click on it to expand the options available for your site. Within the Add Elements menu, you'll find Embed Code. Select this option, and subsequently, you'll see the Embed HTML choice. Clicking Embed HTML will provide you with a space where you can paste the code you copied from Canva. Go ahead and paste your embed code into this space. Once you have pasted it in, ensure that it is highlighted or selected, and then finalize your embed by clicking Update. With this, you've successfully connected Canva to your Wix website. Take a moment to view the result on your site. Your Canva design should now visibly be part of your Wix web page. If you want to make further adjustments to your design, remember, you can always return to Canva, make changes, and update your Wix site with the new embed code. This feature offers incredible flexibility, ensuring your site remains dynamic and up-to-date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you to create a more visually engaging and harmonious website experience. Feel free to let us know in the comments how this integration has worked for you, or if you have any questions, we're here to help.